Please help me! Please help me!
People watch in horror as a woman screams for help.
No, listen, bro. He had an accident. I'm eating McDonald's right now. I can show you the McDonald's I'm eating.
So where's the food at?
I don't know. He had an accident. He talked to
So
us
you're
from
telling me you
Colorado.
ain't got the food here?
No.
So the food just disappeared in the accident?
I guess he took it back. I don't know. I don't know. I don't DoorDash. I don't know any of this stuff. Like, seriously. So go to the place. Stop.
What's up?
Just leave, bro.
The things Ring catches.
I'm so sorry. Wrong house.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going, officer? Oh, hey. Smelled the food. I wanted to come by and see if there was. Oh yeah, we got you. No, we had somebody say that they saw a girl walking down the middle of the street, and then a couple of guys. We kind of noticed you at the window, so we were wondering if you saw anything or if it was.
Oh yeah, so we
El oso se llevó la comida. Sí, Alice, porque ahí están los...
Hello, I'm here for the fish. I think I'm waiting for my dad, so if I can take a look at
You was looking for?
For Road 312. Send me the address off Roblox.
So which one of y'all name is Road 312 on Roblox?
Not me.
Why are you sending this grown man our address? He your friend. How old are you?
38.
38?
Yeah.
Do you know how old she is?
No, I just know that's Road 312.
This little girl is only 12 years old.
I just came to play.
You think you finna come in my house and play with my 12-year-old?
No, bro. Said we can do Minecraft and stuff.
You're not doing that here. You're not doing that here. I will call the police on you. Don't play with me. The next time... What? Girl, you gotta stop playing with me. Go, bye. Go call your dad. Go call your dad. Bye. Get your ass away from my house. I'm not finna play with nobody. I'm not finna play with no... What you doing? Like no, close my door. Close my door. What?
You invited me.
Who invited you?
You invited me.
I didn't invite you to the...
invited me.